Hello, thank you for visiting Wisconsin Points of Interest. This is my first attempt at making some crock-pot yogurt. I wanted to show you guys, since this is my first try of this, and also see if you like this stuff on the channel. If not, I won't do this, but a couple people expressed would like a little something different as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and step through this. It's gonna take some time, but there's 3 easy steps to this. And what I did was I purchased some, it says pasture raised, organic milk, non-GMO. So I have it poured into the crock pot. I have the crock pot plugged in. First step is to plug it in, turn it on low, and let it warm up for 2.5 hours. I also got some Dannon plain yogurt, non-GMO. This does have the active yogurt cultures needed to ferment this milk into yogurt. We'll be adding that later. Maybe there's a measuring cup there if we need it. Also, I was told some dry milk, put some of that in there. That'll also thicken it and it'll enhance the flavor a little bit. The plain yogurt, I wanted plain, but supposedly if you use a flavor like a vanilla yogurt, your yogurt will take on that flavoring. Also, you only have to buy that yogurt one time, because you can save a cup of your homemade yogurt for your next batch and use that. So I have everything started. It's going to take 2.5 hours, and then we'll proceed to the next step. So hang in there with me. Okay, our 2.5 hours is up. Our milk is warmed up. Next step, step 2, is to turn it off and unplug it. Now we'll have to let it cool 3 hours, which would make it the right temperature to start adding our ingredients. Take out about a cup of yogurt. I have it separate in a bowl there. And I'm gonna bring that up to room temperature for the 3 hours that I'm waiting for the milk to cool down before adding it. Okay, looks like our 3-hour cool down is complete. So if you noticed, I have a whisk out there. I have a towel. But let's go ahead and start adding our ingredients. So yeah, that's not real. I'm not gonna add this all this powdered milk. I'm gonna probably add maybe half of it, because I'm not sure about that. And then I'll add this. I gotta do it with both hands. Okay, I've added the powdered milk and the yogurt. So now stir it up. Make sure you get it all incorporated in there. That looks good. So, next thing to do is put the cover back on. And you have to wrap it in a towel or blanket. I have a the big towel here, I'm gonna wrap it in. That'll keep it warm. So this is all you need to do for step 3. So this can stay here like this now overnight. It's 6 p.m. right now, so about probably 8 or 9 a.m. That'll be 15 hours. We'll go ahead and call it good, so we'll take a look at it then. All right. Okay, everyone, so it's almost 9 o'clock the next morning, and let's see what we have here as far as our yogurt goes. I don't see a lot of whey. Oh yeah, look at that. I think that should thicken up pretty good when it's in the fridge, which is where I'm gonna put it. So that's it. That's the Crock-pot yogurt. I'll let you know how it tastes and give it a try. See if that recipe works for you. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that. So see you in the next video.